Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD short and long-term analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID BC 9628162020 11:43:12 p.m. EUR USD long and short term as run through long-term models reveals a massively overbought EUR and further upside contrasts to immense hurdles to advance higher. For further upside, EUR USD must break January 1977, then the most vital 10-year average at 1.2180. The absolute top for EUR is located at 1.2527. On the assumption January 1977 breaks, then the upward price path. Next important levels are as follows: January 2073, 1.2216, 1.2302, 1.2359, then on to 1.2500s. Most vital in this series is 1.2302 because it represents a range break. On the downside, EUR USD is Richter scale overbought from 1.1100s to 1.1400s. The trend changes to the downside on a break of 1.1501. To achieve lower levels, EUR USD must break 1.1792 and 1.1785, then 1.1736. As EUR USD trades between its 5 and 10-year averages at 1.1293 and 1.2180, the vital midpoint is located at 1.1736. EUR USD remains the oddball currency pair among the entire 28 currencies due to its trade at 10-year averages. The vast majority of currency pairs to include GBP USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD trade below 5-year averages. As 1.1501 represents trend change, EUR USD faces 3 hurdles at MA 1.1477 and vital range points at 1.1450 and 1.1427, then on to 1.1300s. EUR USD's biggest impediment is the 5-year average at 1.1293 and a rising line. A rising line and a falling EUR USD informs topside momentum is losing steam and shorts is the way forward. EUR USD is running on all correlation cylinders to its crosspairs as follows: EUR USD vs EUR JPY 99%, vs EUR NZD 78%. EUR AUD is odd currency at 64%, which means not only will EUR AUD move together with DXY, but negative correlations explains deep neutrality and non-movements to AUD USD. Deeply overbought EUR NZD correlations to EUR USD turned positive this week vs deep negative over the past 2 weeks. As written last week, DXY 10-year average is located at 89.22. Downside levels to DXY are located at 93.52, 91.98, and 90.56, then the 10-year at 89.22. A break higher at 93.52, then DXY is located between 93.52 to 95.70. A break of 96.39 at the 5-year average would experience significant upside momentum. EUR USD vs DXY for both 10-year averages are located at 1.2180 vs 89.22. And 5-year averages are located at 1.1293 vs 96.39. Overall, 28 currency pairs are waiting on this resolution. EUR USD vs NZD USD correlates to 95%. NZD USD as the preeminent currency market NBSP signal pair due to the lowest exchange rate among 60 currency pairs, contains a change of trend break point at 0.6493. A break lower at 0.6493 then automatically informs EUR USD topside is done and heading much lower. For the week, EUR USD targets breaks at 1.1792, 1.1785, and 1.1736 to trade to 1.1600s. Top trade for the week is short EUR NZD, lower for JPY cross pairs, particularly GBP JPY, while lower for GBP USD. GBP NZD correlates to GBP USD at 0.6 and will struggle for the week in search of direction. AUD USD remains neutral and NZD USD and crosspairs are oversold. NZD CHF long is the best trade for NZD, while GBP CHF is deeply oversold to match oversold NZD CHF. NBSP 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 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.